Hello, shall I start? Hello.
Yes, sir.
This screen is visible.
Yes,
This screen is visible now. Okay.
Visible, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See ya. My name is Dr. Suresh Buzri, working as a faculty in the mechanical department. You already know that. And one class I have already taken. Okay. And I explained about the introduction part of this supply chain management. Okay. As there was very less strength at that time, I want to explain the introduction part of this supply chain management. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Is it audible?
Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
Okay. See ya. This is the name of this subject is supply chain management, and you are opted this subject as a open elective. We got that. The concept of open elective came from this year. That is, I think, from your batch only. This open elective concept was came. It is possible for you to get or opt any subject from any branch. Okay, and I am happy that you have chosen our subject, that is a mechanical engineering subject, as one of the open elective in order to study. Okay, and I welcome you for my subject. Okay, that subject name is supply chain management. Got the idea? In this the subject, what you are going to learn briefly, I will explain the concept of supply chain management and some of the points that are considered during the study of the supply chain management. Okay, first of all, see the definition of supply chain management. Supply chain management is a system. Okay, supply chain is a system. I'll have to see this second definition. Supply chain is a system in which all the parties are involved. All the parties are involved directly or indirectly. Hello, audio off ಮಾಡ್ರು. Supply chain is a system in which all the parties are involved directly or indirectly in fulfilling the customer request. Okay, got that? Say for example, if you want to purchase any item, okay, say for example, if you want to purchase a mobile, okay, say for example, if you want to purchase any grocery item, okay, such as if you want to purchase some of the food items like sugar, tea powder, like that. Okay, directly you cannot go to the industry and you are going to purchase. First of all, you are going to the shop, okay, or some that is a mall or some street side shops, okay, and you are paying the money and you are purchasing it. Okay, got that? And that shop people are also paying certain amount of the money, okay, from wholesalers, and those are also purchasing from the wholesalers. And again, the wholesalers will give the or pay this some of the amount to the suppliers, and they are also purchasing. Okay, that chain is going to continue. The supplier will get the items from the manufacturers. Therefore, this is a chain. First of all, the manufacturers are coming, okay, and the manufacturers are making these certain items, Okay, that item may be anything. Item may be pinned to aeroplane. It may be anything. Right? The manufacturers are going to manufacture that particular item. We are calling it as a product, and it will be supplied or it will be moved to the wholesalers, okay, or distributors. Again, that distributor will give distributors will give the amount of the foods. 1 minute, 1 minute, only 1 minute. Class is going on. 1 minute. ಯಾರ್ದು ನಿಮ್ದ ನೀವು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಮೇಟ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಜೂನಿಯರ್ ನಿಂದು ಶಿಶಿರ್ ಅವಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಕಲ್ ನೀನು ಅದ ನನಗೆ ಡೌಟ್ ಬರಕತ್ತೆ ಓಕೆ ನೀನು ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ನಮ್ಗ ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ 1 minute ಗೈಸ್ 1 minute ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಹಂಗ ವರ್ಷ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ ನೆನಪಿನ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇವು ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಗದಗ ನೀನು ಶಿರಟ್ಟಿ ನೀನು ಗದಗ ನಿಮ್ದ ಸರ್ನ ಮೀನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾರ ರೈಟ್ ಇದು ಅದಕ್ಕ ಎರಡು ಯಾಕೆ ಒಂದ ಸಾಕಲ್ಲ ಬಾರಿ ಅಥವಾ ಪೇರ್ ಇದೆ we never knew about that. I'm going to put it. Huh? It is a arranged marriage or come arranged marriage? Come arranged marriage. Bus stop. ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಎಸ್ 100%. ಓಕೆ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಅಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕುಂದ್ರಿಸಿ ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಿ ಅಫ್ಟರ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಫ್ರೀ ಓಕೆ ರೈಟ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಸ್ hello are you there?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
See, supply chain management, I was telling about a supply chain management. See, from the manufacturer to the customers, whatever that link is there, no, each link we are calling it as a supply chain link, and that management we are calling it as a supply chain management. I was telling about some of the items. You can take any item. You can take from sugar to or from pin to aeroplane. You can take any item. First of all, the manufacturers are producing that item. Okay, that is that we are calling it as a production. And after that, he is supplying to the distributors or the wholesalers, and wholesalers are again providing those items to the retailers, and retailers are again giving that that item to the customers. Like that, any item from pin to aeroplane, okay, it is coming from manufacturer to the customer. Therefore, that all the segments are there. No, those all segments are in the form of the chain. That's why that chain we are calling it as a supply chain, because here the product is flowing in supply chain. Which is flowing? Product is flowing, money is flowing. What that? And not only product and money, but also the service is also flowing. Manufacturers are giving certain services to the wholesalers. Wholesalers are also giving services to the retailers. Retailers are also giving services to the customers. Like that, three important factors are there. No, those three important factors are flowing. Okay, one is product, second one is money, that is the finance, third one is services. For the idea, okay, got it. Therefore, all these three entities are flowing. Okay, all these three entities are flowing from manufacturer to the customers. Therefore, that whole link we are calling it as a supply chain, and that organization and the maintenance and the controlling, that we are calling it as a management. Therefore, this subject is known as supply chain management. Therefore, all of you keep in mind that it is a system. Supply chain management is a system in which all the parties are included, such as manufacturers such as suppliers, okay, distributors, wholesalers, retailers, at last customers, and also transporters, that we are calling it as a logistic man, logistic people, because transportation is playing a vital role in order to move the item from manufacturer to the customer. What the idea? The best example of that logistic company is VRL. You already know, very much aware of that company. That is the Vijayananda Road Life, that is VRL. What is the main objective of that VRL company? The main objective of that VRL company is to transport the material or the goods or some services from one person to another person, or from one organization to another organization. Okay, got the idea? Or from one particular location to another particular location. Got that? That is nothing but a transportation system, that we are calling it as a logistic system. Okay, therefore, supply chain, the logistic is also coming into picture. In supply chain, the logistic is also coming into picture. Therefore, the definition of supply chain is, it is a system in which all the parties are involved, maybe directly or indirectly, in order to fulfill the demand of the customer. That is very important. You are going to fulfill the demand of the customer. Say, for example, you want a mobile, you want to speak or talk with us from one people to another people, okay, from a device, that device is a mobile. Okay, mobile is the demand of the customer. Okay, food items are the demand of the customer. Refrigerator, AC, okay, these are the demand of the customer. Therefore, first of all, the customer should have a demand. Okay, he should have a demand. I want that material for my sake. Okay, for my comfortability, I want a two-wheeler. For my comfortability, I want four-wheeler. For quick moving, I want aeroplanes. Okay, for having good health, I want certain food items like fruits, proteins, minerals. Okay, these are all the demands which are created by the customer. Therefore, okay, according to that demand, okay, directly and indirectly, the product is coming or the service is coming from the manufacturer to the hands of the customer. Therefore, that entire chain, we are calling it as a supply chain, and that controlling, okay, organizing, okay, and maintaining that supply chain is the management. That's why the subject is known as supply chain management. Hello, you are getting my points? Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
Okay. Got the idea what is supply chain and what is supply chain management? Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
If you are hearing carefully, then only it will be okay for you. Otherwise, you will just forget it. Supply chain means, as the name itself indicates, it is a system of fulfilling the demand of the customer, right from the manufacturer to the customer. Okay, all are included. That's why it is in the form of chain. Okay, since supply of the goods, supply of the services, okay, is making or is going, therefore that system we are calling it supply chain management. Okay, three important points are flowing here. One is the product is flowing, okay, from the manufacturer to the customer. Second one is service is flowing. And third one is the finance. Finance is flowing from one customer to, from one people to another people. The money also flows. Therefore, supply chain management involves all the segments, right from the manufacturer to the customer, directly or indirectly, in order to fulfill the demand of the customer. in order to fulfill the demand of the customer. Okay. Keeping in mind the concept of supply chain management, again I will define that supply chain management like this. All of you see that definition once again. Supply chain encompasses all the activities involved in transformation of goods from the raw material stage to the final stage when the goods and services reach the end-to-end customer. Okay, this is a technical definition of supply chain management. Okay, as the definition says, it is involving all the activities, okay, and it is making a transformation of goods and some services from where to where? From manufacturer to the final stage. Final stage is nothing but a customer. Okay, final stage is nothing but a customer. Therefore, it is encompassing all the activities, okay, in which so many transformation of the goods takes place from the from the supplier or the manufacturer to the customers. Okay, this is another technical definition. All of you see this slide. At last, I have given one equation like a structure. Supply chain is equal to planning plus design plus control of materials, information, and finance from manufacturer side to the customer side. This is very important. Why I had written that plus sign over there? Because it is a chain. It is added. Okay, it is linked. That's why the plus sign I used. Okay, supply chain is not only a giving the services and the product, but also making certain plan. Okay, and making certain design and controlling certain materials, information, and finance. It is controlling three elements. One is materials that are nothing but a goods. Okay, and second one is the information. Okay, because you already know nowadays it is a world of information technology. Therefore, collecting the information from one the stage to another stage, that is also coming under the heading of supply chain. Therefore, it is a controlling of materials, information, and thereby controlling of the flow of the money, flow of the money. Okay, that all includes supply chain. Right idea? Any doubt in the first slide? Hello?
No, sir.
Any doubt
No,
in the
sir.
first slide? Okay.
No, sir.
Can you anybody tell me what is supply chain management? How you are going to define? Can you anybody? Huh? Hello? You are seeing, observing the screen or not?
Yes, sir.
You read that second definition.
It is a system in which all the parties involved directly or indirectly in fulfilling a customer request.
Okay. Then can you tell me
Supply
the
chain.
definition?
Supply chain is equal to planning plus design plus control of a material, information, and a finance from manufacturer side to customer side.
Okay, got the idea? What is supply chain? Why you are calling this supply chain management? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I will move on to the next slide here. See, supply chain management takes into consideration every facility. See here, what are those facility? Facility, what we require. Okay, right from the manufacturer to the customer end, so end side to end side, all the facilities it is doing. So for example, if you want to go to Bangalore, okay, from Hubli or Gadag, then what you are going to do? You are booking the tickets. Okay, you are giving the money to VRL bus fellows, and you are booking the ticket, and you are whenever the ticket is booked, that ticket will should come to you. Okay, and in that ticket is schedule, departure time, the amount paid, everything is mentioned. Okay, got the idea? Right? Right. Then that VRL people will start that bus and they will move to that bus from Gadag, Hubli to Bangalore. That is a service. Here, product is not flowing, service is flowing. What is that service? Okay, service is nothing but a making a or taking you to Bangalore from Hubli or Gadag. That is nothing but a service. Okay, VRL people are doing that service. Okay, therefore, that is the facility here. That is the facility. Okay, and if you are going to canteen, okay, and if you are ordering idli, dosa like that, then that waiter will come to you, he will take the order and he will give this information to the okay inside department fellows, and then whatever the items is prepared and it is ordered by you, they will be get packed it on the plate and it will be supplied to you by the same waiter. Here the facility is to give the service. Production side to the customer side is moving. Therefore, in this way, the facilities or the product is moving okay from one location to another location, and the money is also flowing because after having a food, you are paying the bill means you are paying the amount. That amount will go to the that canteen people or the hotel people. In this way, service is okay provided, money is flowing, and product is also flowing from one location to another location. This entire system is nothing but a supply chain, and controlling of that whole system we are calling it as a supply chain management. Right? Supply chain management. Therefore, every facility has a certain impact on cost, okay, on cost and certain requirements. Because whenever the service is not good, the people are not coming to your organization. Okay, and whenever the product is not good, the people don't purchase your item. But therefore, it is the organization or the company's duty to maintain good quality product so that their product should be moved, their product should be marketed, and it should be sold out okay very quickly in the market, in the competitive market. Therefore, supply chain management will give the facility in which it is affecting the impact of cost. If good quality material is there, you are getting a good cost. Okay, if the quality suffers, then you are not getting a money for that, because customers will not purchase the that particular item. Okay, which will lead to the loss to the company. Therefore, gaining the profit and losing the money, that is also coming under the heading of supply chain. That's why it is called the controlling of the finance, controlling of the quality of the product, okay, and controlling of the service facility. These are all coming under the heading of the supply chain. Right? Yeah? Now, suppliers and manufacturers will give their product to the warehouses, not directly in the hands of customers. Okay, I already told whenever the product is moving or the facility is moving, not directly it will reach from production or the manufacturer side to the customer. First of all, it will go to the wholesalers, then it will go to the retailers, then it will go to the local market area, then it will go to the hands of the customers. That I want to explain with the help of the block diagram. Okay, this facility movement or the product movement Okay, from manufacturer to the supply customer, I want to explain with the help of this block diagram. All of you see this block diagram here. All of you see this block diagram. Is this block diagram is visible on your screen?
Yes, sir. Visible, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ah, you just observe that block diagram keenly. Okay, observe that block diagram. This is a supply chain network which will give you the full idea about supply chain management. Okay, see here, vendors are there. Vendors, VENDORS, vendors are there. After that, plants are coming to picture. After that, plants, depots are there, depots. After that, depots, retailers will be there, retailers. Then at last, the customers will be there. All of you see that? Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How many members are there here? Anybody? Can you name somebody? Hello, you just give your name.
Vijay Kumar, sir.
Okay,
Madhu, sir.
okay.
Megha, sir.
Hmm.
Purnima, sir.
Pooja.
Hmm.
Priya.
Hmm.
Abhilashni, sir.
Hmm.
Varsha, sir.
Okay. How many members are there? Anybody? Anybody? How many?
51, sir.
51, sir.
Now online attendees. Now.
51.
All 51.
51.
All 51s are there here.
64 out.
Okay.
Total
No
64, sir.
problem. Okay. Here, you just keenly observe that screen. In that, a block diagram is given. In that block diagram, the neat concept of supply chain is explained. Okay, got that. First of all, the vendors. Vendors are nothing but manufacturers. Okay. Say, for example, Toyota is a company which is manufacturing a Toyota vehicles. Hero Honda is a company which is manufacturing Hero Honda vehicles. Okay, you are computer science students, no? That's why Compaq is a company. Okay, Samsung is a company. Okay, Microsoft is a company. Those are manufacturing computer goods and some of the softwares they are developing. For that, and those we are calling it as a vendors. Those are the main vendors. Okay, they are developing their products. Okay, they are developing their products. Say for example, they are developing PCs, personal computers. Okay, right? Dell is a company which is manufacturing a personal computer. Okay, like that, various companies are there, and all the companies are developing or fabricating or manufacturing. All are one and the same. In mechanical language, we are calling it as a fabrication or manufacturing or production. But you, the people, are calling it as a developing or designing, like that. That is the only difference. Okay. Therefore, in general, the Dell is a vendor, Compaq is a vendor. Okay, Procter and Gamble company is a vendor. Toyota is company is a vendor. Infosys is a vendor. Okay, Hero Honda is a vendor. Okay, that means it is producing its items. Okay, it is producing its items. For that, after that, the production of the items, okay, it will come to the plants. It will come to the plants. Directly, you are not going to Dell and you are not going to purchase the personal computer. Directly, you are not going to that Toyota company, Mahindra and Mahindra company, Tata company, Maruti company. You are not going and purchasing the cars. Directly, you are not going to the Hero Honda company and purchasing your bikes. Okay, you are going to visit the warehouses, or okay, you are going to visit the showrooms. That we are calling it as a plants. Plants may be showroom, or plants may be a warehouses, or the plants may be any location. Okay, at which it is exhibiting, storing certain items coming from the manufacturer side or industry people, coming from the industry people. Reliance, mart is there, Reliance Digital Mart is there. It is actually a plant. It is actually a plant, warehouse, okay, warehouse, or sometimes it is a storing materials will be there. Okay, again it is having a sub shops, okay, which may be located in Hubli, which may be located in Gadag, okay, which may be located in some smaller places. Therefore, the big area like in Bombay, Bangalore, okay, where the huge amount of the collection of the materials is provided, that we are calling it as a plant. That we are calling it as a plant. And the small area, a limited area in which the materials are displayed to the customer, that we are calling it as the depots or the warehouses or the malls. Okay, Walmart is a company, okay, which is considered as a depot. Big Bazaar is a one organization which is considered as a depot. What that? Therefore, it is a location. It is a location, okay, where the amount of the products will be get displayed to the customer in order to sell the item. In order to sell the item. Therefore, first of all, vendors are nothing but manufacturers. Those are manufacturing the materials. That material may be anything. I am again and again telling that the material may be anything. It may be from pin to aeroplane. It may be from pin to aeroplane. Next, that will come to the plants. Plants are actually handled by the company only. Immediately after the production of goods, it will send that goods to the a big area that is called as a plant. After that, it will send its goods to the depots according to the requirement. According to the requirement. Peter and England shirts will be there. Okay, your ladies items like jeans, kurtas. Okay, so many companies are there, no? According to the demand, it is supplying. It is not supplying the full huge amount of the material to the Gadag, because Gadag is a small city. It will supply the huge amount of material with a variety of quality to the Hubli and to the Bangalore and to the Bombay. What I mean to say is here, according to the customer's demand, according to the customer's market area, okay, it is sending its articles or the goods, okay, to that particular location, that are nothing but the depots. Okay, Big Bazaar is one example of depot. Asian Mall is one example of depot. Okay, got the idea? Right. Now, you go to any the big shops in which it is displaying the items from the for in order to sell, that we are calling it the depots. Okay, your KSRTC depot is also there. What is that depot? Depot is nothing but a area in which the material is located and displayed for the requirement of the customers. Customer will come and they can take it. That is nothing but a depot. And in between that customer and depot, another shop is also there, another segment is also there, that is nothing but a retailer. That is nothing but a retailer. Depots are like a wholesalers, okay, and the retailers will get the amount, get the product from the wholesalers. Okay, therefore, retailers you can call it as a small sized customers, small sized suppliers. Okay, some of the shops, okay, some of the canteens, okay, some of the hotels, okay, some of the cafeterias, some of the kirani shops. Okay, these are all the retailers. Okay, Janta Kirani store, Bahubali Cloth Center, okay, Nisha Xerox Center. Like that, whatever the small shops will be there, no, those small shops, we are calling it as the retailers. And last, the customers will come. Therefore, the customers will visit that small shops and they will say their demand and they will purchase the item and they will pay the amount and come back. In this way, from vendors to the customer, the product is moving. Not only the product is moving, but also the money is also flowing. And not only the money is flowing, but also the service is also transporting or service is also flowing. Okay, and in order to do all these activities, transportation is must. Transportation is must. That's why, that's why in the first slide, supply chain is equal to planning. How you are going to plan, which material I have to manufacture, where I have to send it, how much quantity I have to send it, okay, how much cost I have to fix for that, how much profit I have to maintain for that. See, each and everything that planning is coming. After that, designing, okay, where I have to locate my plant, okay, how many employees should be get that is recruited, which type of a job I have to do to that particular employee, which type of the machines I have to get it, okay, how that material should be get fabricated. That is very important because earlier the mobile was in a very big size. Nowadays, very compact mobile with very lightweight we are getting. Why? Because that is the need of the customer. That is the demand of the customer. Always the customer want to purchase a material, say for example, mobile, which is a good looking, aesthetically it should have a very good look. ಓಕೆ ಭಾಳ ಚಂದ ಕಾಣಬೇಕದು. ಮೊದಲು ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಜಗತ್ತಿನಾಗ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಚಂದ ಕಾಣಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಒಳಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾರ ಠೊಕಾಳ ಇರಲಿ ಬುಕಾಳ ಇರಲಿ ಮೊದಲು ಚಂದ ಕಾಣಬೇಕು. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ಹಲೋ ಹಲೋ ಅದಿರಿಲ್ಪ ಅದಿರಿಲ್ಲ? ಹಾ, ಮೊದಲ ಜಗತ್ತು ಹೆಂಗೈತಂತಂದ್ರ ಮೊದಲು ಚಂದ ಕಾಣಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರಾಗೂ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಏನು ಚಂದ ಕಾಣ್ತಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದ್ರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರರ್ಸು ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಪೀಪಲ್ ತಮ್ದು ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಮೊದಲು ಅದನ್ನ ಚಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಅಸ್ಥೆಟಿಕ್ ಲುಕ್. ಫಿಸಿಕಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿವ್. ಓಕೆ, whenever any customer sees that, automatically his mind should be in such a manner that I should purchase that material, I should purchase that item. ಓಕೆ, ಅದ್ರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಚಂದ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಬೆಲೆ ಐತಿ. ಅದು ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಐತೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಚಂದ ಇರಬೇಕು. ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಅಸ್ಥೆಟಿಕ್. ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಮೇನ್. ಓಕೆ, that's why even though the mobiles are performing very good, and if it is not appearing attractive, nobody cares for that. Not only a material, but also take an example of cars. Okay, if Ambassador car is a very good example for the aestheticity. Ambassador car was one of the best car and had given a very best service in the Indian market. Okay, at that time, maybe 10 to 20 years back, all the ministers in the assembly and all the ministers at the parliament, they used that Ambassador car only because its quality was very best. It is very good strength. It was exhibiting very good strength. Okay, and that what is strength in the physical parts, or what are the physical parts will be there, no? Performance, okay, was excellent. But day by day, okay, that Ambassador people didn't change the physical look. Okay, they have not changed the physical look, but other car manufacturing companies have changed the aesthetic look. Okay, and day by day the demand of the Ambassador was gone. Now there is no Ambassador cars in the Indian market. Okay, even though it was giving a very good services and very good quality, okay, slowly it was vanished. Slowly it was vanished. That is because of aestheticity. ನೋಡಾಕ ಚಂದ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಚಂದ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಬಂತು. Therefore, it is much more relevant, okay, in all the sectors. For human beings also, it is much more important. ನೀವು ಹಳೆ ಹೀರೋಯಿನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಹಳೆ ಹೀರೋಸ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಅವ್ರು ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಈಗಿನ ಹೀರೋಯಿನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಈಗಿನ ಹೀರೋಸ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇವ್ರು ಹೆಂಗದಾರ. ಅವರು ಇವ್ರಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸಮ್ ಇರ್ತಿದ್ರು, ನೋಡಾಕ ಭಾಳ ಚಂದ ಇರ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಅವ್ರ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗಿತ್ತು, ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಫ್ಯಾಷನ್ ಒಳಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫುಲ್ ಫ್ಲೆಜ್ಡ್, ವೆಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಟಮ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ಏನು ಪ್ಯಾಂಟ್, ಓಕೆ, ಫುಲ್ ಕವರ್ಡ್ ಸಾರೀಸ್, ಈಚ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಆ ಥರ ಇರ್ತಿತ್ತು. ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಹಳೆ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಏನು ಈಗಿನ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ಗಳು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಅವು ನೋಡಕ್ ಚಂದ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದೇ ಮಾತು, ಬರೀ ಮೇಕಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದಟ್ಟ ಚಂದ. ಹಲೋ ಹಲೋ
Yes, sir.
ಹೇಳತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಾ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದ.
Yes, sir.
ಈಗ that is nothing but aesthetic. Therefore, I will just conclude this class by once again repeating that supply chain equation. Supply chain is nothing but planning plus designing plus of controlling three elements. One is materials, another one is the information, and another one is the finance. Okay, right from the manufacturer to the customer, all are linked one another. That we are calling it the supply chain, and that whole organization maintenance controlling, that we are calling it the management. Therefore, the whole subject we are calling it the supply chain management. Okay. Any doubt here? Hello.
No, sir.
No, sir.
ಏನಾರ ತಿಳಿತ?
Yes, sir.
ನೀವು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಾಗ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನ ಭಾರಿ ತಿಳಿತಿತ್ತು. ಏನ ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಯು ಮಿಸ್ ಮೈ lecture hours. Okay, I will create that lecture in such a manner that ನೀವು ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಥಿಯೇಟರ್ದಾಗ ಅಥವಾ ಏನೋ ನಾಟಕ ಥಿಯೇಟರ್ದಾಗ ಕುಂತಂಗ ಫೀಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀರಿ ನೀವು. Okay, I will give a such type of the live exam. You missed that. ನಾ ಏನು ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ ಅಂತ ನಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಆಫ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆತಂದ್ರೆ I will show. See, this is a management with real-time applications. I have to give the exam, give the explanation. Therefore, online ಒಳಗ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ ಯಾರು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಯಾರು ನೀವು ಅದಿರು, ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲೋ, ಯಾರು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಲ್ಕೊಂಡಿರು, ಯಾರು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ TV ನೋಡಕತ್ತಿರು. I don't know all those things. But keeping in mind that computer science people are very honest people. Ladies are much more. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳು ಅಥವಾ ಲೇಡೀಸ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ, ಹುಡುಗಿಯಾರ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆನೆಸ್ಟಿ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಕಲ್ ಹುಡುಗರು ಟೈಪ್ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಕೀಪಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಲಿಸ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಮೈ ಲೆಕ್ಚರ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಮೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಮೋಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ನಾ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ರಿ. ಹೇಳ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir.
ಅದನ್ನ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಹೋದ್ನ ನಾ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾರು TV ನೋಡಕತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರ ಯು ಆರ್ ಡಿಸೀವಿಂಗ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಮೀ. ನನಗೆ ಏನಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಏನ ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ ಏನೋ something you are losing. Something you are losing. Okay, right? I have already shared this PPT on your group. Okay, go to that PPT once again. Okay, and repeat that. Study. If you are having any doubt now during offline classes, so I will discuss it and I will just clarify your doubts. Right? Yeah? Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 1 minute. ಈಗ how to take the attendance? All of you mark the attendance ಒಳಗ marking ಇರ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Hello? Attendance
No,
ಒಳಗ
sir.
No, sir.
How to take the attendance?
By
USN.
calling names, sir.
Yes, sir. 52 ಅಷ್ಟೇ US ಅನ್ನ Hello.
Yes, sir.
How to
Sir.
stop screen sharing here? How to stop screen sharing?
Return ಅಂತ ಐತ್ ನೋಡಿ. Tap to return.
Sir.
Tap to return.
Teams ಒಳಗೆ ಐತ್ ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್ ಮೇಲೆ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿರ್ತದೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ?
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಐತ್ ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್. Tap to return to meeting.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಲ್ ಟ್ಯಾಪ್
ಹಾ,
ಐತ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಸರ್.
Right. Okay, ಮತ್ತೆ. Okay, right. Give me attendance, okay? Here. ಈಗ ಹೆಂಗ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು attendance? Taking attendance is very
ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್
1 minute.
Insert code ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್.